If you're just dealing with very deep AI systems that need a lot of performance, CoreWeave is typically going to be your best bang for the buck. So what are both of these best for in terms of use? Well, CoreWeave is training LLMs, AI inference, scientific computing, VFX, specialization. So in other words, anything related to heavy AI processing. Obviously, AI is going to have a training side where we're building the models and deploying them, and then an inference side where we're actually querying the models or putting them into functional use. And they're able to provide, both capabilities very well. So anybody who's focused just on that, and you're going to be doing a lot of heavy duty AI, you're going to need GPUs. CPUs are not necessarily going to be an option. CoreWeave is going to be a better value for you. AWS, they have broad IT app support. They're able to provide software as a service, enterprise projects, global deployment. So obviously, general purpose can run any type of application, AI and non-AI. They can run analytics applications, transaction processing applications, things like that. AWS is going to be a better option. If you're just dealing with very deep AI systems that need a lot of performance, CoreWeave is typically going to be your best bang for the buck. So what about customer examples? Where CoreWeave, has AI labs, LLM startups, people that are building LLMs from scratch, VFX, studios, for example. So anybody that has a specialized need for heavy duty AI, startups, businesses, things like that, are going to find CoreWeave a better value. And that's typically who you see is in a list of their customers. Not as many, Global 2000 companies that are, tire manufacturers and banks, things like that. But they're starting to gain traction in those areas as well. So anybody who's special purpose focused on AI, CoreWeave is typically going to be more attractive. AWS, every Fortune 500 company out there, every Global 2000 company out there is going to have some sort of AWS usage within their walls. So web mobile platforms, banks, things like that, everybody finds AWS attractive just because of the general purpose nature of that public cloud provider.